Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize using AWS Cognito to secure admin panel API detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize using AWS Cognito for securing your admin panel API, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Cognito service from the dashboard. Click on Manage User Pools and then select Create a User Pool. Provide a name for your user pool that represents its purpose. Configure the attributes according to your application needs, such as email or username. In the Policies section, set the password requirements for your user pool users. Once configured, click on Create Pool to finalize your user pool setup. Next, go to the App Clients section under your user pool. Click Add an App Client and provide an appropriate name for your app. Uncheck the Generate Client Secret option if your application runs in a client-side environment. Configure the refresh token expiration and other relevant settings before clicking Create App Client. Now, navigate to the domain name. Choose either a custom domain or use the Cognito provided domain. Save the configuration to activate the domain. Next, head to the User Pool Triggers section and set up any necessary triggers, like pre-sign-up or pre-authentication. Now, integrate AWS SDK into your project for easier interaction with Cognito. Install the AWS SDK with your package manager, such as NPM or Yarn. Import Cognito into your application code, setting up the required configurations. Use the AWS configuration file to add your region and user pool ID. To authenticate users, implement the sign-in functionality. Use the Cognito user and authentication details classes to capture user credentials. Once the user submits their credentials, call the Authenticate User method from AWS SDK. Handle authentication success and failure appropriately within your application. Upon successful login, store the return token securely in your application. To secure your admin panel API, apply a middleware that checks the authorization token in incoming requests. Extract the token from request headers in your middleware. Validate the token using AWS Cognito's JWT verification process. Ensure that the token has not expired and corresponds to the right user pool. If validation succeeds, grant access to the admin panel API. If validation fails, respond with an appropriate error message denying access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.